Hello, scholarship aspirants. Are you a student from an ASEAN country looking for an incredible opportunity to study in Canada? The Canada ASEAN Seed Scholarship 2025 is a fully funded program that could be your gateway to world class education, research, and a brighter future. Let's dive in and explore this amazing opportunity together. Imagine experiencing the vibrant academic environment of Canada while strengthening ties between your countries and one of the world's top education hubs. The Seed Scholarship, funded by the Government of Canada, supports undergraduate and graduate students from ASEAN countries to study or conduct research in Canada. This program is all about expanding knowledge, building skills, and contributing to sustainable development. Let's see what this scholarship offers. Now, let's talk about what makes this opportunity truly life changing. This scholarship provides full tuition fee coverage, a monthly stipend for living expenses, round trip airfare to Canada, health insurance and accommodation support, funding for study materials, even reimbursement for visa and study permit fee. This is a golden chance to focus on your education without financial stress. Where could you be studying? Some of Canada's top universities are participating in this program, including the University of Toronto, McGill University, the University of British Columbia, the University of Alberta, and many more. These institutions are known for their academic excellence, innovative research, and diverse learning environments. You could be part of one of them. Worried about whether your field of study is eligible? Don't be. This scholarship covers a wide range of disciplines, including environmental sciences, engineering, social sciences, business and economics, public health, agriculture, renewable energy, information technology, international relations. No matter your passion, there is a place for you in this program. Who can apply? Here is what you need to qualify. Must be a citizen of an ASEAN member country like Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, or Vietnam. You should be enrolled in a full time undergraduate or graduate program in your home country. You must apply for a short term exchange program or research project at a recognized Canadian institution. Strong academic performance and leadership potential are a must. And of course, you should not hold Canadian citizenship or permanent residency. If you meet these criteria, you are one step closer to a life changing opportunity. To apply, make sure you gather these documents: completed online application form, a valid passport copy, official academic transcripts, proof of enrollment in your home institution, English or French proficiency certificate, a letter of intent explaining your study or research plans in Canada, two academic recommendation letters, a letter of invitation from a Canadian institution, study permit or visa application documents. Double check everything before submitting to avoid any delays. So, how do you apply? It's a simple 5 step process. Find a Canadian university that aligns with your academic goals. Secure an official invitation letter from that institution. Gather and prepare all the required documents. Submit your application. Canada will submit it on your behalf. Wait for the result. Shortlisted candidates will be contacted and final selection will be announced by June 2025. Follow these steps and you are on your way to studying in Canada. Now let's break down what's covered in this scholarship. 100% tuition fee coverage, accommodation support so you have a comfortable stay, a monthly stipend to cover food and other expenses, round trip airfare included, funding for study materials and book, even your visa and study permit fee are reimbursed. With all these benefits, you can focus on what truly matters: your education. Keep track of these important dates. Application opens January 2025. Deadline March 31, 2025. Shortlisting and interviews April-May 2025. Final selection announcement June 2025. Study program starts September 2025. Mark your calendars and don't miss the deadline. Wondering how candidates are selected? The selection committee looks for strong academic performance and a high GPA, demonstrated leadership and extracurricular involvement, a compelling letter of intent outlining study or research goals, solid recommendation letters from professors, Alignment between your academic interest and the Canadian institution, proficiency in English or French. Make sure you present yourself as a strong candidate to increase your chances. Want to learn more? Here how you can get additional details. Visit the official scholarship website. Contact them through the email address for any query. Reach out to your host institution in Canada for guidance. Follow Canadian embassies and university for update. Do your research and prepare well. This could be the opportunity that changes your future. So what are you waiting for? If you are an ambitious student looking to expand your horizon, gain world-class education and make a difference, the Canada ASEAN Seed Scholarship 2025 is calling your name. Apply now, take the first step towards an exciting academic journey in Canada.